Okay, so the reason we are doing a layer of block and tackle is just to contain the rust so that it doesn't go into our first layer of paint. Okay, so we are big Hamilton's fans, so just a little bit of a hack with something like this type of table with all the grooves and stuff. The little sponge roller really makes it easy to give you good coverage for the top. Obviously, you're still going to be needing the brush to get into the sides here